In the new world of work, it's more important than ever to connect people across the organization, wherever and whenever they work, so that everyone is included and engaged. Viva Engage helps organizations build community, spark engagement with leadership, harness knowledge and answers, and build their personal networks. Building upon the social and community capabilities of Microsoft 365 apps like Yammer and Microsoft Teams, Viva Engage introduces new ways to connect, express yourself, and shine, including consumer-grade experiences like storylines and stories, so that you can create and share what you're passionate about, as well as find answers, ask questions, follow leaders, and connect with coworkers. On your storylines, you can share your experiences to reach followers and colleagues across the organization and discover posts and stories from interesting people to stay in touch with what they share. Create or upload your own stories as videos or pictures to share and update or express yourself. When people are engaged, they contribute their best selves at work. Viva Engage unlocks the potential of your people.